Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to enable DMs on Discord app. So first sign into your Discord and tap on your profile icon. At the bottom left side you will see settings icon. Click on this and you are landed to your account settings. Now go on content and social and here you will see your direct message spam or there are other three options such as direct message from friends, others, and channels. So you just have to drop down the menu and here you will see the show blur and block option. So you can manage according to your need. After that, here there are three filters. So simply toggle the option you want. And that's it, a quick and easy way to manage direct message and Discord. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.